Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My topic for today is malfeasance. Malfeasance is the broad term covering any act which is illegal and causes physical or financial harm to another individual. It is an intentional act of doing something wrong either legally or morally. The term malfeasance is utilized in both common law and criminal law to narrate any act which is unlawful or not identified by law. It is not a different crime or tort, but the word malfeasance is used to narrate any act that is criminal or any wrongful act which causes injury to a person. Under tort law, malfeasance has legal effect in civil court and the defendant can be sued by the plaintiff for monetary damages. It is an act done with an immoral purpose. The person has the knowledge that the act which is being committed exceeds the authority of the person doing the act. For example, a police officer is about to complete his rounds during his shift. His shift is about to over and he wants to go home. While he is driving home, he sees that a customer and a cashier at the gas station are having a heated conversation. The officer was on duty at that time and he knew that his shift would end in 30 minutes and if he stops there, it would take time and he will not reach the home in time. After that, he thinks if he is on duty and if any serious issues arise when it is his duty to stop there and try to handle situation. The officer was aware that if he will not stop the argument between the cashier and the customer, he might turn into a fight, but he simply ignored it and went home. Later, the cashier was shot to death and the customer took the cash from the counter. This accident would not have happened if the police officer had stopped at the place where the accident took place. The serious consequence would have been avoided. Under the act, officer was malfeasance or not. So the act of officer was malfeasance as he was aware of his proper protocol and the officer was still on duty at that time. When he saw the incident taking place, the officer knew that he was supposed to stop at the scene in order to prevent any further argument between the cashier and customer. The officer chose not to stop, and his choice led to the robbery and death of a cashier. It is likewise relevant to improper performance of some lawful act. Thank you.